Air pollution, water contamination, atmospheric allergies and infections can result into cough. Don't ignore cough. It is not an ordinary problem. It can lead to complications and uneasiness. Crux has transformed traditional values of Ayurveda, a 5,000-year-old holistic healing system, into the modern concept for optimum health and wellness. Crux has precious herbs like tulsi, an antiviral to check common infections, mint to check inflammation, eucalyptus oil and vasaka for fast nasal decongestion, navsadar and yashti madhu to check sore throat and hoarseness of voice. Crux is the complete herbal formulation to treat cough, sore throat and lung infections, making it a safer choice compared to antibiotics which have many side effects. Tulsi, Vasaka and Yashti Madhu in Crux possesses powerful antioxidant properties which prevents oxidative damage in cells of respiratory tract, offering added protection. Smokers tend to suffer from chronic bronchitis and cough. Crux has a solid formula to treat smokers' cough and ensures ease of breathing, better lung function, elasticity and comfort. Demulcent action in Crux soothes the irritating bronchial mucosa, offering immediate relief from symptoms of common cold like running nose, sore throat, etc. Ordinary cough syrups cause sleepiness due to some antihistaminic drugs, whereas Crux is purely herbal, so keeps you alert throughout the day, helps to avoid lethargy and keeps you divinely fresh and healthy. Alcohol-containing cough syrups may interrupt day-to-day activities. Halal certified Crux is free from alcohol. Crux causes no drowsiness, no dizziness and no addictions. Thus, Crux is completely safe for school-going children and professionals. Also, constipation is a problem with many cough syrups. But don't worry, Crux is tough only on cough. Crux causes no constipation and is totally safe even in pregnancy. Crux is tested and trusted by thousands of doctors over the decades as 100% natural and safe remedy for all age groups. Crux is available in pineapple flavor and simple dosage. Adults take 1 to 2 teaspoonful 3 times a day and children half to 1 teaspoonful 3 times a day. Crux cough syrup is clinically proven and published in an international journal. Clinical trial report affirms relief in over 90% patients after first day of treatment. Crux is non-alcoholic, non-sedative and non-constipating. So, do you want to be tough on cough? Start Crux.